Hi guys, if your Whirlpool refrigerator water tastes strange, the filter light is on or the water flow has become slower, it's probably time to replace the water filter. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the filter on the Whirlpool WRMF3636RV00 step by step without making a mess. So first of all, you just have to simply open your refrigerator door, and here you just have to look inside at the upper right hand corner of the fridge compartment. Now over here on the refrigerator model, the water filter is located behind the small filter which will be covered inside the refrigerator. So over here you just have to simply pull the filter door downward gently in order to open it. Now you are going to see the old water filter attached inside the housing. Now you just have to turn the filter counterclockwise and pull it straight out slowly. Just keep a towel nearby because the small amount of water may drip during the removal. Now, if the filter feels stuck, avoid forcing it too hard because the housing can then crack. Now you need to take a replacement filter out of its package and remove all the protective caps or the plastic covers. Just make sure that the O-ring are still attached properly before installing it. After doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just simply insert the new filter into the slot and turn it clockwise until it locks securely into the place. Do not over tighten it. Once it is installed, you just have to simply push the filter cover back up until it clicks closed. After that, dispense the water from the fridge for several minutes after replacing this particular filter. Finally, when you are done, you just have to simply press and hold the filter reset button on the refrigerator control panel for a few seconds until the indicator light turns off. So you can try this easy method and see if that works for you. Thank you.